All right, this is our phonics lesson 40, our last lesson. Here we go. Say mask. Drop sk. What's left? Ma. Say desk. Drop sk. What's left? De. Say task. Drop sk. What's left? Ta. Say risk. Drop sk. What's left? Ri. Say tusk. Drop sk. What's left? Ta. Say husk. Drop sk. What's left? Ha. Good job. We have no new spelling patterns, so we are just going to go over the ones that we already have. Here we go. N, I, ah, bull, I, ow, ah, gull, s, f, r, e, ah, s, ah, pull, oi, oi, s. Good job. All right, let's go to reading our words. This time, for our last one, we are going to just read it. I'm going to say look. You're going to try to sound it out, and then we'll read it together. Look. Read. Circus. Look. Read. Scratch. Look. Read. Grade. Look. Read. Nice. Look. Read. Hoping. Look. Read. Try. Look. Read. Chair. Look. Read. Since. Look. Read. Messes. Look. Read. Hopes. Look. Read. Lacy. Look. Read. Sling. Look. Read. Flute. Look. Read. Boxes. Look. Read. Ounce. Look. Read. Salt. Excellent job. Look. Read. Thump. Look. Read. Smart. Look. Read. Hoped. Look. Read. Town. Look. Read. Slicing. Look. Read. Dances. Excellent job. Here are our syllables. So our first word is silver. Let's snap it. Silver. So look to see where you think we're going to break this apart. And I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we split it between the two consonants, the L and the V. This word is sadly. Let's snap it. Sadly. Think about where we need to split it. I see an A, a D, a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I will split it between my two consonants, the L and the D. This word is order. Snap it. Order. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I split it between the two consonants. Let's read this word. It's raincoat. Snap it. Raincoat. I have a compound word, so I'm going to split it between my two words, between rain and coat. But also look, I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so it still keeps within my pattern. Here we go. This word is escape. Let's snap it. escape. So let's look to see where we're going to break it apart. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Let's break it apart in between the two consonants. Excellent job. All right, let's go and write some words. So, number 1, let's write the word spice. So I hear s, p, I, s, and an E afterwards. Remember, when a C has an E after it, it takes the S sound. Number 2. Heel. Here we go. E. This one's an E and an A. Heel. And this is the bottom of your foot. Number 3. Let's write dive. D. I. V. And there's an E at the end of dive. And number 4. Own. Remember, O could be and can be OU or OW. In this case, it's an OW. Own. Excellent job. For our very last lesson, I'm going to have us write a whole sentence. So for number 5, we're going to write a whole sentence. And our sentence is, that was loud. So I start my sentence with a capital. So I'm going to write that, at. I'm going to put a big space. That was, W-A-S, was. And loud. Ow. Remember, OU says ow. D. And I end my sentence with punctuation, and in this case, a period. Excellent job today, and this was all of our first grade phonics. Give yourself a high five, give yourself a hug, give yourself a pat on the back for getting it through it all.